Wait, what happened, Mom?
Turned on by itself.
What happened? The air conditioning turned back on? Did it? Yes or no?
Yes,
Shut it off. Press the off button. There. You're good.
I put it back on 71 because we don't need it on 80.
Did you shut it off?
It keeps turning on. It's because this thing is turned on.
I'm turning it
Because you have the rear turned on.
on. No, I don't.
Well, that says rear, doesn't it? It was turned on. You keep turning it on back there.
No, I don't. I'm not turning it on. There's no way for me to. I don't have any controls. I'm not in the driver's seat. The driver's seat's right next to you. What do you think's wrong with it? Mom,
What did you do to turn it on, Conway?
nothing.
You did something.
No, I did not. And there's no way for me to.
Yes, there is. You turned it on somehow. Because I haven't touched it. I keep turning it off and you keep turning it on.
No, I don't.
It doesn't turn itself on by itself. What are you doing to it?
I'm not doing anything. What are you doing to it? It's a question. Okay, bye. Oh, by the way, Mom, guess what? I was doing it.